Hi. Okay, that was really bad. Okay. Welcome to my channel. This is my first makeup tutorial video I'm posting on my channel. And I hope you enjoy. If you would like to, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell. And let's give it a whirl. So I'm going to try out the Wet n Wild photo finish. It's in Buff Bisque. I find it very matte, so I think today I'm going to add a little bit of some Magic Lumi to the formula. We'll see how that goes. And then I just like to pounce it on the face. Yeah, this shears it out just a little bit, makes it not so matte. The weather's really dry outside, so I just find having it too matte's just makes my skin look very blah. Okay, so I'm just going to moisturize my lips a little bit. Get some hydration in there. Now for some blush, I'm going to do the Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love. Just to add some color to my white pale face. This winter's really got me friggin' pale. And mind you, I don't tan anymore. It's something I've stopped doing. Well, at least with the UV. I'll still once in a while do like a fake tan, but been too lazy, really. That's the only answer I have to give you. So now we're going to do brows. Perfect Arch Soft Powder Brow. It's from Sally's. It's in dark blonde. I like it because it's like a pencil that is kind of a powder. So it doesn't go on waxy or anything. It goes on very dusty. So it's very soft. I really enjoy it. And I just use the Essence Make Me Brow. It's a love and hate relationship with this stuff. I don't have very thick brows, so I can easily make a mess with it. People with thick brows don't have to worry about getting their skin with it. But I mean, for $3.99, you can't really go wrong. Not my favorite eyeliner, but it does the trick. This is the Essence eyeliner pen, extra long lasting. It lasts long, but it's not very black. And the felt tip kind of depends what angle you're using it on. Works better sometimes than other times. The Kat Von D pretty much did the same thing to me. So I don't know if it's my skin or what. Not sure. Okay, so my mom got me this little kit for Christmas. And it comes with like a gel eyeliner. That little black. The black there. Let's give that a whirl. Came with like a little brush, eyeliner brush. There's this edge and then that edge. Let's try it out. I have a feeling though that this eyeliner doesn't dry. Just something like a feeling I have. It's gonna work out. Just blush a little bit. I'm finding it a little too intense. Use NYC Super Skinny, or Skyrise, sorry. Super Skinny. Super Skinny. I've been wearing a lot of highlight. I kind of want to just tone it down, be a little bit more natural. Just do a little bit, nothing too crazy. So I've been using the e.l.f. makeup setting spray. Just gonna pounce the highlight and stuff just to get it into the skin. I wear my eyelashes like 1,500 times before I throw them out. But I take care of them. I don't sleep in them so they don't lose shape or anything. I needed eyelashes. It makes a lot more sense now. Now, one thing I don't do is keep the bottom of my eye nude, but a lot of people do. Just wondering if I should just try it. So now, just to make things pop, I'm just going to add white or cream NYX, what's this called? NYX Wonder Pencil and light in my eye. The waterline. For lips, I'm going to use my e.l.f. in Natural. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, I'll get better and better at this whole makeup tutorial YouTube thing. Just have some patience. Bye, guys.